And here I have from Super Snaxx. It's peanut butter and apple flavor. This is Safe Hide, which is highly digestible, minced and whipped beef hide. Highly minced and whipped beef hide. So there's 6 of them in here. Peanut butter, apple flavor. It's gonna be delicious for that puppy. But anyway, you got the beef hide. It gets cleaned. It gets cooked, minced, whipped, and then baked again. Crude protein 40%, and you got some fat, fiber, and moisture in there. Anyway, these look super, super delicious. Now the important part is to see if the puppy likes them as well. Healthy chews, high in protein, grain-free, gluten-free. Let's check them out. So after you open them, this is what they look like. Green and brown, I guess, with the apple and the peanut butter. Smells pretty good actually as well. So anyway, let's go give one of these to the puppy. Okay, let's see what she thinks. Ready? Let's see what she thinks. Oh, I think she's gonna take it. I think she's taking it. Oh, I think she's gonna start chewing on it. Let's see what she thinks. Peanut butter. What you think, Cookie? What you think? Delicious? That's a good chew, right? Delicious. Yep. I think we have a winner. She hasn't chewed it up yet, but she's been chewing on it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, she's got to take it privately to eat it. So I can already tell that this is going to be a long-lasting chew, and she definitely likes it. A good treat. It's a good treat. I'm trying to rip that open. Trying to rip it off. She can't quite figure out what she's supposed to do. Where you going? So it seems like she really likes that, and that's going to be a long, long treat for her to have. From Super Snaxx, peanut butter and apple. This is what it looks like. Definitely recommend.